Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Research channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the zebra display level on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the exposure/color section, so this pink section right here. And we're going to scroll down to zebra display and select zebra level. So here, if we raise our camera to see like the view, you can adjust the zebra levels according to whatever level you want. So higher means that less zebra will be displayed, so lesser sensitivity. You can also do customs with these two options right here. So just select the option that you want, and once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.